The topic of today's video is how can I send Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet? So here we are on the Coinbase home screen, and all you need to do here is go to send crypto on the right hand side, and you'll see here it's asking you for a wallet address. Now you can get this in the wallet that you want to send to. So let's say it's Phantom Wallet. So we'll go to receive, and we want our Bitcoin wallet address, so we can grab it right here. Just copy the address, go back here and paste your address in here, and that's our wallet. Let's click on that. Now I don't have any Bitcoin to send, but what will be on the next screen after you click on the Bitcoin over here, or you search for it over here, is it'll ask you how much Bitcoin do you want to send, and you can put in the dollar amount depending on your currency, of course. From there, it's going to give you a review of everything that you're trying to send, as well as the fees included in sending that, and all you need to do is just confirm. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.